This is just a test. Can you hear the fan in the background? Yes, you can. That's better. Hello everyone, my name is Arnold, and this year I am a junior at Yale. Because I'm a junior, I have the option to live off campus unlike the first 2 years, my first year and my sophomore year. I don't want to waste your time explaining why, so I have 2 videos in the past, my dorm tours for my first year and my sophomore year, that can showcase the evolution of my dorms and also explain the Yale housing process more clearly. Also, this is actually the 3rd or 4th part of a 3-4 part installment series on choosing my Yale dorm. So I have my first video that I recommend you watching, the choosing the Yale dorm video, the shopping for stuff video, and the moving into the Yale apartment vlog. All right, let's get started with the tour. Is it fun? This is the courtyard, and these are the little steps that lead into my apartment over here. So let's open it. See this? That doesn't work, so we're gonna knock. Why, hello there, Yassi.
Hello, Arnold.
Thank you for letting me in. Sandals off because we're Asian. So this is the lovely kitchen that we have. We have a little rice cooker, some dirty dishes, ignore that. A lot of food, fridge, and a beautiful, clean kitchen top. Are there any other things that we should be telling them about?
We have a dishwasher we don't use.
Yeah. Also, this is the protein area. We have protein powder, protein pancakes, protein cereal, protein bars, a lot of healthy food, fruits, more protein bars, but those are peanut butter, more protein powder. I don't want to show the food because you'll judge us, but we meal prep, we eat healthy. As you can see, this is still a very empty living room. We have a beautiful couch that they brought in last week. It wasn't here when we first got here. There was this desk that we got from Free and For Sale, this website in the Yale community where you can get free, cheap things, very convenient. Yeah, model for us real quick, okay. And there's a beautiful view. Yep, very nice lighting. That's the internet that we set up, and that is workout equipment. You can go out here in the patio, and although what's this part called of the patio? Like the railing?
Yeah.
Although this looks kind of busted, it's still a nice spacious area, and I think it's a pretty decent view. Right, Yassi? Oh, what are you doing?
It's a trash can we're trying to air out.
Oh, and I realize I'm not wearing sandals.
Can you make sure that you're getting in my pants?
How about this right now? When you walk, let's wear pants. 3, 2, 1, go. This is it from a different angle. I'm about to close the door. Okay, let me just. Okay, let me just clean my feet.
High five with your feet.
Walking back, you can see this. Oh, thank you for saving the electricity, Yassi. We can see this beautiful bookshelf over here with a, what's this? Vacuum, and all these other books. Amazing stuff. Let me show you one thing. What does that say? Walk down here, lighting cue. Hey, just like that. We don't have the budget, so my girlfriend does it for us. This is the closet. I might censor it, but it's mainly just for storage, to be honest. This is the bathroom. I don't really think you'd like to see a lot, but there's like nice mirrors and stuff. Boppity boopy. I'm not wearing anything, so that's not good. And Yassi, would you please tell the orientation of the rest of these rooms?
So as you walk down the hall, on your right is Arnold's room, which maybe you'll cut in later.
Yep. Editing after when we edit it, yeah.
Yes. And down the hall in the center is another closet.
It's the home gym. No, it's just cardboard boxes.
And then this bedroom is. Should we cut out the name?
Oh yeah, we'll cut out the name.
Yeah. Okay.
So this bedroom is.
And this bedroom is.
Oh, I said the name.
Okay.
Okay. We have to. I'm sorry. Okay. We have to censor our apartment mate's name. So this room.
We're not gonna put the name in. We're
okay.
just say the 2 girls.
So we're not gonna say it's. Oh,
okay.
I said it.
Stop
okay,
it.
Okay.
This bedroom is a double.
Yep. And then.
We're not gonna say names.
Okay.
Because we haven't talked about that. And this is another single.
Yep. And then.
And this is a smaller closet.
Let's see.
Over here. It's straight across from the bathroom.
That's my room. That's my room.
It's very convenient. Very convenient for putting, trash bags, printing paper, hand soap refill, laundry detergent.
At this point, you're making the video for me, so.
Yes, let's go.
And
well,
now, that's pretty much it. We're actually back in the kitchen now. And it's a nice, simple, quaint apartment at a very central location. And I think that is a pretty good find. These are my feet. But this is my room. Oh, it also does this trick. Wait, give me a second. It also does, la la la. It also has different settings. Yeah, okay. Okay, oh, no, not that one. These lights were mainly an inspiration for my first year and sophomore year dorms, if you guys remember from last year's video. And this is the desk that I use to do work. It is a pretty big desk, but I have to actually start with this fan that helps me with the white noise, and this scale over here, the smart scale. You got the outlets, you got this nice cherry wood table, which matches the nice cherry wood shelf over here. This wall has some plays that I've been to and has some plays that I've performed in, but I can't finish this yet. But I'll be adding more stuff, including my family pictures, when I have a hold on my actual tangible family pictures. Then you have this nice soft carpet. Then you have this nice soft carpet that matches the bed sheets, and the bed sheets, the blue and teal, kind of also match the tapestry. So there are a bunch of different types of colors going on here. You have the beautiful Bruce Lee poster, you have to have that. And then this wall that has some friends, but I don't want to, show too much. And we also have this little beautiful saucer chair where you can chill. And we have my backpack, lamp, and this personalized shelf with Yale, my achievements, and closet. Wait, no, this is a shelf. Yeah, this is a shelf. I also have this closet, but I don't want to show too much of what's inside. Quick intermission because we're going to be showing Yassi's initial reaction. I got her permission, her initial reaction to the room when it wasn't fully finished yet. We still hadn't, but we have the reaction. We're gonna play it now, but Yassi has some words.
Arnold's really funny. I have to let them know or else they don't know.
Oh, okay.
And then since we've moved in, we've been exploring a lot of adulting. We've been cooking for ourselves, going grocery shopping, getting COVID tested twice a week. A lot of maybe mundane, but also maybe kind of fun life things. So if you're interested, definitely leave it down in the comments to let Arnold know what
meal prep Sundays.
Yeah, we're doing.
They don't care about this.
No, but like now that we have an oven and a bunch of pots and pans, we've been cooking for ourselves, and it's been a lot of fun. Yeah, and I think people will be interested. Maybe ? I don't know.
Over.
Whoa! It's so
Look at the camera.
It's so comfy.
And then wait. Look at that. And the colors. How do you think? Final words?
Subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching this video. The vibe feels a little bit different living in an apartment, but it definitely has its pros and cons. But thank you so much for supporting. Let me know what else you want to watch. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click on the bell notification icon. And I hope that I can continue to provide content. And also, we hit 2,000 subscribers, almost at 2,100. I'm very speechless. Thank you so much for the immense support. You guys are amazing, and I hope that you stay healthy and happy and well, and I'll see you in the next video.